Okay, so for your what if everybody did that assignment, the first thing you're going to do is click the link below and listen to the story being read aloud. If you were already on Zoom today and heard me read it aloud, you do not have to listen to it again unless you want to. Step 2, you are going to, next you're going to click Add Response. And it says sort the comments in the example and non-example categories. Use the pointer tool to move the boxes and the text tool to add your own ideas. So that's what this is going to look like. You're going to click on Add Response and you're going to find your name. I'm going to log in as the sample student. And at any time, if you forget the instructions, you can just click up here and it'll show you again. So you're going to sort these into a good example and a bad example. So cleaning up after lunch, is that a good example or a bad example? I think that's a good example, so I'm going to move it here. Complaining about an activity, that's a bad example, so I'm going to move that here. And you're going to do that for each box. When you are finished, you're going to come up here and click the green check mark, and then you are all done.